Hey guys, welcome back to library. Today is Wednesday, May 20th, 2020. That's a lot of 20s, huh? And I'm going to be reading two stories to you today because they're both a little bit shorter, so we'll have time for two. Our first story is called Big Brown Bear's Cave. Think about what you know about a bear. Well, obviously we know they live in caves. What do you think bears like to eat? Maybe they like to eat fish or maybe berries. I know sometimes they'll eat human food if it's left in the trash can. But we know that bears are wild animals, right? In this story, our main character is a bear and he lives in a cave. So let's see what this bear is up to. Big Brown Bear's Cave by Yuval Zamir. Sorry about the reflection. Ooh. Big Brown Bear's Cave. One day, Big Brown Bear was strolling in the forest when he saw a cave. It was dark and dusty and just right for a bear like him. "What luck!" Big Brown Bear said with a grin. He moved in right away. That looks like a nice cave for him. That night, he bear stretched on one side of the cave, then in the middle, then on the other side. But no matter where he tried, the cave just didn't fit quite right. So Big Brown Bear went for another stroll. At the edge of the forest, he discovered something very interesting indeed. Humans had their own caves. But we don't call them caves. What do we call them? Where you put your car in? That's right, a garage. So he thinks they're caves. The human caves were dark and dusty, just like bears. But they weren't empty. They were full of stuff. There was stuff on the floor, stuff on the shelves, stuff in boxes. "I need stuff too," said Big Brown Bear. "Then I'll have the perfect cave." Look at all that stuff. That is full. Anyone else have a lot of stuff in their garage? I don't have a garage at my house, but I have a lot of stuff in my basement. So Bear decided to gather some stuff for himself. There was all kinds of stuff to choose from, but Bear's favorites were stuff that came with wheels, stuff that came with handles, and stuff that came in boxes. He is finding a lot of stuff. "I won't stop until I fill every corner of my cave," said Bear. "Do you think all of that stuff is going to fit in there? My cave will have the most stuff ever!" Wow. Word spread about Big Brown Bear's cave. "May we come in?" asked his friends. "I'm sorry," said Big Brown Bear. "There's not enough room for visitors." Oh, how do you think his friends feel that they can't come inside of his cave? I think they feel probably pretty sad. Pretty soon there was no room left in the cave to even stretch or scratch or do any of the other things bears like to do. It is so full, you guys. He can't fit even anywhere. Later, Big Brown Bear's friends asked, "Won't you join us for a fishing trip?" "I'm sorry," said Big Brown Bear, tumbling headfirst into the stuff, "but I seem to be stuck." Why is he stuck in there? You're right, he has too much stuff. He can't get out. What a terrible problem. Bear's friends tried pulling him from one side, then they tried pulling him from the middle, next they tried pulling him from the other side, until pop! At last he was free. Wow, what a mess! Bear and his friends decided to take all of the stuff back to the humans' caves. That's where it belongs, right? Not in a bear cave. At last, Bear's cave was empty again, but with his friends beside him, Bear found the perfect spot for sleeping the night away. Now all of his friends can fit in there with him and they can have a sleepover. Finally, his cave felt like home. The end. So, I think what I learned from that story is sometimes it's not good to have a lot of stuff, because then we might not have room to play or spend time with our friends. So Bear learned that lesson too in this story. I hope you guys like that one. Our next story is called Penguin on Vacation. And there are a few books about this penguin. There's one called Penguin and Pinecone, and there's a few other ones by the same author who wrote this one. So he is going on vacation. Where do you think he's going? Look at the cover. I see water and sand and a crab and a ball. Do you think he's going to... is he going to the mountains? No. Is he going to the desert? No, probably not. I think maybe he's going to the beach. What do you guys think? Yeah, I wish I could go to the beach right now. Have you ever been to the beach? It's a really fun place. Let's see, Penguin on Vacation by Selena Yoon. Ooh, that's a lot of crabs. Penguin on Vacation. I need a vacation, Penguin sighed. Snow again? Penguin had skied, sledded, and skated on vacations before. He wanted to go someplace different. 99 balls of snow on the ground. Someplace tropical. That's it. I'll go on a vacation to the beach, thought Penguin. There's a ship way out there. Maybe that gave him an idea. Penguin packed his bag and headed north. Goodbye, Grandpa. That would be a long trip. If he lives at the South Pole, that's a far trip to the beach. The waves swelled bigger and bigger. The sun shone hotter and hotter. Finally, Penguin reached the beach. Look at that beach. That looks beautiful right now, huh? Sun and the palm tree. I see a seagull, a shell, and a crab. Nice. It wasn't what Penguin expected. Ow! 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 The beach was nothing like his icy home. Penguin learned some things. You can't ski on sand. You can't sled on sand. And you definitely can't skate on sand. You can do lots of other fun stuff on sand, though. Are you lost? Asked Crab. No, I'm on vacation, said Penguin. Then come with me, said Crab. Where do you think they're going to go now? Crab showed Penguin how to have fun on the beach. They made a sand castle. Penguin and Crab played catch, climb, cowabunga, and played. Now he's having fun on the beach. And played. Bury! Has anyone ever been buried in the sand? That's pretty fun to do. Penguin loved his new friend. Slurp, slurp. That looks pretty relaxing, huh? But all vacations come to an end. It was time for Penguin to go home. The journey was long and quiet, but suddenly something moved in the water. Crab, what are you doing here? I need a vacation too, said Crab. Penguin and Crab finally reached the shore. Splash! Incoming! Whee! You're home! Welcome back! They swam and swam. They whooshed and pushed. See, they're building a snowman. Oh, they're going fishing. They fished and wished. Remember, fish and wish rhyme. But all vacations come to an end. Goodbye, Crab. Crab set off for home and left behind. Goodbye, Penguin. The sound of the beach. He's listening to a shell. Can you guys see? See the pink shell? And he hears the sound of the beach. Swoosh, swoosh. I shall return, wrote Crab. So Penguin waited. Waiting and waiting and waiting. And one day, Crab did come back. Now they're having the beach on the ice. They made a snow castle instead of a sand castle. The end. I love that story. Let's just all close our eyes and pretend we're on the beach. Can you feel the sand? Can you feel the hot sun? Can you hear the waves? That sounds really nice, doesn't it? All right, my friends. I hope that you enjoyed our 2 stories today about Big Brown Bear and Penguin. And next, you can listen to some of our songs, and I hope that you'll sing along too. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.